Oi. You want to blame your partner? You had the shot. You had it. Excellent call. It was disgusting. You did that. I'm gonna put it in slow motion so I can learn what you do with your hand. Tearing his ass up. Skew-it. Wow. See? Good get. Wow. Look at the backup. Look at that. Look at that. The cut. You put the cut on that shit. Nasty backup, Gio. Yeah, they did. Yes, they did. Anthony messed up. Anthony messed up. I know, only one. Oh, yeah. 11-13, people. Block ball. That was nasty. You said one more week, you're gonna bust his ass. He wants Gio bad. Nasty get. The one and only by Gio. Disgusting, Gio. I don't know how'd you you saw he got that shit like it was like
backhand left the shot.
Nasty try. Good try. Thank you. Bet on my girl right there. It's not a game. The one and only, baby.
I'm coming back and I'm coming back strong, baby. I'm getting my throne back.
Wow. Will, you gotta say something, Will. You can't try to, and then if you hit him by accident, what are you gonna say? I'm sorry? Wow.
Listen, the people that left my side, it don't matter. I'm always going to keep on my leg, man.
5-4.
I'm going to look, man. But he angry.
Shit!
it. How I do, right? See how I do, right? I show up and go
Wow! 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 Oh! Oh! It's not a game! It's not a game!
Big time, baby. These motherfuckers.
5 up, people.
I already picked it up. Look. I met her.
Wow! Holy shit! Holy shit! So you can see Anthony's not playing. It's not a game. Baby Snook.
And I see it. I know. People think that I'm blind. I'm not blind. Listen, I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. People say that themselves up for the downfall.
Good try.
Trust me, I'm down with big people. They already told me. Judge everybody.
Oh, yeah. Hold it. Since what? Since 5.